In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to set up an Instagram business account for your dropshipping store. If you're planning to start a dropshipping business and want to promote your products on Instagram, then this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete Instagram business page where you can display your products, add your website link, receive customer inquiries, and track your progress with insights. The best part is that it's completely free. And once your store is connected, you can start reaching new customers instantly. And before we dive in, a quick note. If you haven't decided which products to sell yet, I personally recommend checking out Sell the Trend. It's a powerful dropshipping tool that helps you find winning products, analyze trends, and connect directly to your store. I'll leave a link in the description. You can sign up using that link and get a 14-day free trial to test it completely free. Now let's jump into the tutorial. Here's how we'll proceed. First, we'll create a fresh Instagram account dedicated to your dropshipping store. Then, we'll switch it into a business account to unlock professional features. After that, I'll walk you through how to set up your profile with details like your store name, bio, and website link. Finally, I'll show you how to upload your products, monitor performance through insights, and even connect Facebook so you can manage both platforms together with ease. To start, open the Instagram app on your phone. If you already have a personal account, you can still create a new business account separately for your store. On your profile, press and hold for a few seconds, then select Add Account and click Create New Account. Now choose a username that represents your store or niche. For example, if you sell fitness accessories, something like Fit Gear Hub would work well. After entering your username, set a strong password. Next, add your store's email address, verify the confirmation code, and your new account will be created. At this stage, Instagram may ask you to sync contacts or follow friends. You can skip that for now and move ahead. Then upload a profile photo, ideally your store logo or a simple brand image. If you don't have a logo yet, you can quickly create one using free tools like Canva. This makes your profile look professional from the very beginning. Once that's done, your new account will be visible in your profile list. Now let's switch this account into a business profile. Go to Edit Profile, scroll down, and select Switch to Professional Account. Go through the introduction screens and continue. Here you'll select a category. Depending on your niche, you can choose shopping and retail, clothing brand, beauty, gadgets, or anything similar. Once you confirm, choose business instead of creator. Then, fill in your contact details like your business email, phone number, or address. These details will be displayed as contact buttons, making it easy for customers to reach out. Once your account is converted, it's time to set up your store profile. Go back to Edit Profile and add your display name. For example, Urban Fitness Gear or Glow Beauty Supplies. Paste your store's website link in the website field so customers can directly shop from your Instagram page. Now write a short and attractive bio that clearly tells people what your store is about, such as affordable fitness gear shipped worldwide, or trendy jewelry with free global shipping. This short description can make a big difference in attracting followers. Now let's add an extra feature. WhatsApp integration. Go to Contact Options, select WhatsApp, and verify your number with the code. Once confirmed, a WhatsApp button will appear on your profile, allowing potential buyers to message you instantly. This simple step can help you receive direct inquiries and close sales faster. With your account ready, let's post the first product. Click the plus icon, select Post, and choose a product image. If your supplier provides professional images, use those for better presentation. Add a catchy caption that highlights the benefits of your product. For example, instead of just saying stainless steel bottle, you can write, "Stay hydrated on the go with our eco-friendly stainless steel water bottle. Perfect for gym, work, and travel." Don't forget to add hashtags like hashtag fitness gear, hashtag eco-friendly products, and hashtag dropshipping store to expand your reach. If you want to boost your store visibility, try posting reels. Reels have massive potential to go viral because short product videos grab attention quickly. For example, you can post a reel of a fitness band being used during a workout or a beauty product being applied. Reels often get more engagement than static posts and can bring in followers who may convert into buyers. Another powerful feature you'll have as a business account is insights. Go to your professional dashboard to check analytics like reach, engagement, and audience demographics. These numbers tell you what's working best, whether it's a specific type of post, product category, or posting time. You can use this data to plan your future posts and maximize your growth. If you also run a Facebook page for your store, connecting it with Instagram is a smart move. This way, whenever you upload content on Instagram, it automatically posts on Facebook as well. This saves time and helps you maintain a consistent presence on both platforms. To connect, go to Settings Arrow Business Arrow Connect or Create Page, then confirm with your Facebook login. Now let's talk about engagement. Building a community around your brand is just as important as posting products. Make sure to respond to comments, reply to DMs, and use Instagram stories to interact with your audience. Polls, Q&As, and countdown stickers can make your followers feel connected to your store. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to trust your brand and buy from you. Another tip is to take advantage of seasonal trends and promotions. For example, if it's holiday season, create themed posts or offer limited time discounts. You can also use carousel posts to showcase multiple products in one post. This gives customers more options to browse without leaving your page. When combined with trending hashtags, these types of posts can bring in a lot of organic reach. Once your profile is filled with a few posts, you can start building followers. Go to the menu, click follow, and invite friends, and invite your contacts through WhatsApp, email, or phone. Even a small group of initial followers makes your account look trustworthy and encourages new people to follow your store. Here's an extra tip. Always use high-quality visuals and consistent colors for your brand. Whether you're posting product images or stories, make sure they reflect your brand identity. You can also use Canva templates to create engaging posts that stand out in the feed. A professional-looking page builds credibility and increases the chances of sales. Lastly, remember to stay active. Post regularly, engage with comments, and reply to customer inquiries as quickly as possible. Instagram rewards consistency, and the more active you are, the higher your chances of reaching new customers. Over time, your page won't just be a store page. It will turn into a powerful marketing tool that builds trust and keeps attracting buyers again and again. So now you know exactly how to create and optimize an Instagram business account for your dropshipping store. From setting up a professional profile to posting high-quality content, staying consistent with reels and stories, tracking insights, and even connecting your account with Facebook for a wider reach. With this foundation in place, you're ready to start attracting customers, building a loyal audience, and driving traffic directly to your store without spending a single dollar on ads. And here's one more bonus tip for you. If you're looking for trending products to sell, definitely check out Sell the Trend. It's an amazing tool that shows you what products are already in demand and gives you a big advantage over your competitors. Using the link in the description, you can sign up and try it completely free for 14 days. This means you can test out winning products right away without any risk, and it's a perfect way to boost your store from day one. So take action, stay consistent, and use the right tools to grow your store. That's it for today's video.